To begin, go to the diamond icon and then click Upload. Here you have the option to upload a single or multiple diamonds. You can upload according to price per carat or by Rap percent, which indicates the amount above or below the Rapaport price. RapNet will automatically calculate the prices based on what percentages you indicate. Only a few fields are compulsory to upload your diamond, but remember, the more attributes you add, the greater the chance a buyer will find your diamond. You can also add a diamond report, as well as an image or video. Either upload directly from your computer or paste a link to the image. Now that you're done, click Save Lot. Once your diamond is processed, it will appear in your upload history. To upload multiple diamonds, click on Multiple. You can simply drop your stock list into here, or browse your computer to find the file for upload. You now have two options. You can either replace all your diamonds on RapNet with the new listings you are uploading, or you can add and update your current listings. You can choose to receive an upload report and decide how often you wish to receive it. Once you're done, click Upload File.